Now let's talk about entrepreneurial traits and mindset. First is the passion. They work hard and persist through challenges since they have the passion to do business. Second is vision. They know what they want to achieve in the future. This guides them with their decisions. Third is risk taking. They are willing to take calculated risks so that they could harvest the potential reward. Fourth is innovativeness. They are searching for new ideas to solve problems of the community and maximize opportunities. Fifth is adaptability. They are capable of adjusting their business strategies based on the current and future situation. Sixth is leadership. They know how to inspire and motivate their team members towards a common goal. Seventh is resourcefulness. They know how to utilize limited resources to maximize profitability of the business. Eighth is customer focus. They know how to build loyal customers and understand their needs and wants. Ninth is networking skills. They know how to build partnerships that will help grow their business. And last is resilience. They have the mindset of bouncing back every time they failed. Thank you and happy learning.